26 boss Mike, ano yan?
First 5 on Abu Dhabi. It's Santal, the Playboy, Air Balason, Solo, and Ilagan. First 5 on Sarja. Ba't walang nagla-lives? Namiss kita dito, magla-live ka. Bakit? Akin na yung application mo para makagawa ako. Para may score.
87.
Kaya yung application mo.
87? Ramos? Okay, 87 doon. Job. Yung 87, Kuya Mike. Ay, Kuya Man.
First 5 on Sarja. Jumps.
Cuenca. 87 Cuenca. 87
Alonso. First position of Abu Dhabi. Turnover against Abu Dhabi. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista.
Chantal. Ay, Chantal.
Now, Cuenca. Chucks. Back to Cuenca. Take. Easy take. Cuenca. First shot. Too strong. Rebound on Santal. Weng. Now the play by Louis. Pass to Cholo. Back to Louis. Louis. Take. Louis. Downside. Steve. 10 to shoot. Chantal. Too strong. Rebound by Japs. Japs. Now Cuenca. Back to Japs. First shot. In and out. Rebound on Papa Sarja. Now Cuenca. Japs. Open jump. Too strong again. Rebound on Santal. 9 minutes. Now Playboy Louis. Pass to Cholo. Cholo.
Ay, wak!
Steal on Cuenca. Now Cuenca. Nice move. Top by Ilagan. Now Santal. To Air Balason. First shot. Too strong. Rebound again on Sarja.
Ramos.
Now Ramos. Turnover again. Against Sarja. It's 8 minutes. And 30 seconds.
Shoot mo na agad.
Sir, bawal. Bawal. Now, Weng. Short. Now, Cuenca. 2-1. Cuenca drive. To Raveling violation on Cuenca. It's turnover. Against on Sarja.
Dampipe, Balason.
Nice move, Balason. Now 2-0. It's 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now Cuenca. Looking for Ramos. Back pass to Ramos. Ramos. Nice. Alonso. Foul. Foul on Playboy Louis. First on the Playboy Louis. First team foul on Abu Dhabi. 2 free throw shot for Alonso. Let's get that count. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. It's 2-0. Abu Dhabi. Short. Air ball. It's Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Now play by Louis. Guarded by Ramos. Solo. Air ball. Lima by Japs. Now Japs. Drive. Japs. To post. Nice defense on Louis. To Air Balason. Guarded by Cuenca. Steal on Balason again. Balason drive. Balasot to Loverboy. Loverboy drive. Nice defense on Ramos. Now Cuenca. It's 3-on-2. Alonso. Alonso drive. Too strong. Now Cuenca. Pass. Alonso again. Pow. Alon. Solo.
Ang pipi.
Playboy Louie. Second team foul on Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on the Lover Louie. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Now still 2-0. Rebound by Balason. Loverboy now. The Loverboy escape. Pass to Weng. Yes on Weng. 2-4-0. It's a 4-0 run coming from Abu Dhabi. Cuenca. Air ball too strong. Ramos. Ramos back to Ramos. 10 to shoot. Too strong again. Rebound by the Loverboy. Loverboy now. Loverboy stop. It's 3-on-3. Loverboy pass to Santalweng. Too strong. Oh, Balason. Top. Santalweng again. Yes, on Santalweng. Now 6-0. 6-point lead now on the defending champion, Abu Dhabi. Now, Cuenca. Ramos. Drive. Ramos. Yes, first two on Ramos. Now 6-2. 4-point lead Abu Dhabi. Loverboy Blin. Loverboy to Weng. Chantal. Weng. Ilagan. Too strong. Nice defense. Now rebound on Ramos to Cuenca. Cuenca to Ramos. Ramos now. Drive. Ramos attack. And yes on Ramos. Now 4-6. It's 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Malason, short. Wow, air now. Cholo stop. Back to 10 to shoot.
Aywa!
Shot. Nice shot coming from Airbalon. 8-4. It's 4-point lead now against Abu Dhabi. Nice move again. Too strong by Cuenca. Now Loverboy to Santalweng. Bang! Time out on Sharjah. It's 10 against 4. 6-point lead on Abu Dhabi. And our timeout is brought to you by Cora Sports, Sket Polista, and Magnolia. Richard Brock. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Now Cuenca. Jumps. Nice move by Jumps. Alonso. Block. Wow. Foul on number 6 on Nilagan. First on Nilagan. 13 foul against Sharjah. Now 5-10, it's 5-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now 6-10, it's 4-point lead against Abu Dhabi. Irbalason, too strong. Rebound on Ramos. Ramos to Cuenca. Now Cuenca. Pass to Ramos. Ramos, stay. Drive. Pass outside to Ramos. Connection. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Labaroy. Now, Santal. Yes, on Santal. Weng. Now, 12-6. Back to 6-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now, Cuenca. Alonso again. Pow! Foul on Ilagan. Second team foul. Third warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on Ilagan. It's 3 minutes remaining time. First quarter. Now, rebound again by Alonso. 14 shot clock for team. Cuenca. Jumps. Short. Rebound by Air Blason. Tap again by Ramos. Cuenca. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Cuenca. 9-12. It's 3-point lead, Abu Dhabi. Now, Laberboy, guarded by Ramos. Laberboy again, Laberboy, 10 to shoot.
Balisan!
He's still again by Cuenca. Cuenca drive, yes on Cuenca. Now, 11-12. 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Laberboy. Pass to Weng. Turnover again on Abu Dhabi. It's 2 minutes and 10. 1-point lead now, Abu Dhabi. Cuenca. Escape. Cuenca to Jobs. Black. By Cholo. Top. Jobs again. 10 to shoot. Short by Jobs. Top. Now Loverboy is 2-on-1. Loverboy. Nice pass to Loverboy. Now 13. 14 to 11. It's 3-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now Ramos. Back to Cuenca. Jobs. Open jump. Air ball again by Jobs. Now Loverboy foul. Foul on Ramos. First on Ramos. First team foul on Sarja. It's 1 minute and 16 seconds. Now Loverboy Louie. Pass to Balaso. Nice move. Too strong. Weng. Pass to Cholo. Pick. Back to Loverboy. Open drop. Too strong again. Rebound top. Now Loverboy. Pass to Weng. Chantal Weng. Bang it out. Alonso. Ramos. 1-1 by Cholo. Nice block by Cholo. Nice defense on Cholo. It's 45 seconds. Balason. Now Loverboy Louie. 30 seconds. 14 to shoot. It's 27 seconds. 27. Now Cuenca. Short. 20 seconds. 19. Time out. On Abu Dhabi. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Abu Dhabi Motivation. Laki ke tuan. Now Loy. 15 seconds. 10. first quarter. Score is 11-14. It's 3-point lead against Abu Dhabi. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Yung pagbabayad na yung mga sinigas.
It's Sharjah ball, Sharjah.
17, Aquino. Yung ball, makita. 17. Balison de Torres, Uno. Alba.
Ulitin. Alba. Ano mo rin ba na block? By Isidoro. Now Balason again. Balason. Now drive. Balason. Ball! Basket count and one on air. Balason. Foul on Soto. First on Soto. First team foul against Sharjah. Now De La Cruz. Alba. Holgate. Back to De La Cruz. Drive, pick, De La Cruz. Nice up, Holgate. Block, foul. Foul on number 15 named Torres.
Mataba lang siya.
First against the Torres.
Hindi siya foul.
First team foul on Abu Dhabi.
Ito naman si Rex.
It's 9 minutes and 14 seconds.
Eh, nakatayo lang.
Now 12 against 16. It's 4-point lead, Abu Dhabi. Now Isidoro. To Sagon. Balason. Bang! On Balason. Now 18-12. Now back to 6-point lead, Abu Dhabi. Alba. Short. Rebound on Balason again. Balason. To Isidoro. Uno. Paso de Torres. De Torres to Sagon. Sagon, 1-on-1. Uno. Open shot. Uno. First shot to short. It's Sharjah ball. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Second quarter. First game. Soto. Nice move. Back. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Back to Maki. Maki open job. Too strong by Maki. Rebound on Balason. Now Balason to Sagon. Sagon guarded by De La Cruz. Sagon drive. Sagon foul. Foul on number 9. On De La Cruz.
1-1. First.
First on De La Cruz.
First team.
First team foul against Sharjah. 19-12. It's 7-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Now 20-12. It's 8-point lead against Abu Dhabi. Now Soto. Drive, short, top. Rebound again by Soto. Soto. Pass to Puliket. Puliket. Nice defense to Isidoro. Sagon. Now Sagon. Pass to Uno. Uno first basket. Yes on Uno. 22 against 12. It's 10-point lead. Abu Dhabi. Now Alba. Drive, foul, basket count and one on Alba. Foul number 1 on Uno. First on Uno. Second team foul against Abu Dhabi. It's 7 minutes and 24 seconds. Second quarter. Now set 15 to 12, 22. It's 7-point lead Abu Dhabi.
Isidro.
Isidero.
Ayaw kasi mo!
10 to shoot. Sagol. Too strong. Rebound by Soto. Now Soto go to coast. Drive Soto. It's 17 to 22 now. It's 5-point lead Abu Dhabi. Bang! Air Malason on 24-17. It's 7-point lead back to Abu Dhabi. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Pulikit. Too strong. Rebound on Sagon. Now Sagon. Drive. Sagon to Sagon. Yes, on Sagon. It's 26-17. 9-point lead back to Abu Dhabi. De La Cruz. Drive. De La Cruz escape. De La Cruz. 19 to 26. 7-point lead. On Abu Dhabi. Sagon 1-1 on De La Cruz. Now Isidoro. Guarded by Maki. 10 to shoot. It's Sharjah ball. Time out. On Sharjah. It's 5 minutes and 52 seconds. And timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Abu Dhabi, and Basketballista. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our official referee for tonight is referee Apatan and referee Manuel. Inbounding De La Cruz to Soto. Now Soto escapes. Soto open jump to strong foul. Push ball left. Foul on Zero on Sagon. Third team foul against Abu Dhabi. First on Sagon. Maki. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Maki. Now Di Torres. Di Torres escape. Foul. Wow! Basket count. Basket not count. Basket not count. Basket not count. Foul on Maki. First on Maki. Second team foul against Sharjah. It's 5 minutes, 11 seconds. 14 to shoot. 26-22. Oh, now 28 to 22. Back to 6-point lead, Abu Dhabi. Yes, on Alba. 24-28. It's 4-point lead, Abu Dhabi. Di Torres. Out, in and out. Hindi pa may pulikit. Pulikit. Back to De La Cruz. Now Soto. Nice move by Soto. Foul. Foul on number 35. On third 44 penalty, Abu Dhabi. 25 to 28. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Early entry, early entry.
Mataba utak niya, Dayan. Mataba utak niya.
Nalinda.
Rebound on Balason. Wow, turnover again on Abu Dhabi. 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sino lang, bawi depensa!
Only 3-point lead against Abu Dhabi.
Bawi sa depensa!
Soto, steal, 1. Now De La Cruz, 1-1 pa. Nuno, penalty.
Uno second.
Second personal foul against Uno. Now Abu Dhabi and penalty.
Wala, 3 quarters sa usapan na.
Alam niyo na kung sino
Close natin.
papaulin!
Oy, magbawas ha. Magbawas. Sabihin mo, bawas konti.
Maniningil ako mamaya.
Ayun na, mamaya third quarter.
Rebound ng Puliket. Type. Foul. Foul on Di Torres. Penalty. 2 free throw shot on Puliket.
Guitarist second.
Second personal foul on Di Torres. Now 26 to 28. It's 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi.
Box out, box out!
Now 27-28. 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Isidoro. Kajitoy Maki.
Nice D!
Turnover again on Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Now Alba. De La Cruz. Soto. Pay. Soto drives, Gabe. Soto. Now 29 to 28. 1-point lead on Sarja. Now De La Cruz to Puliket. Puliket. It's traveling violation on Puliket. 3 minutes. It's 1-point lead now. Still again by Sarja. Maki. Drive. Maki goes to go. Short. Top. Sagot to Isidero. Now Isidero. To keep on De Torres. 1-1. De Torres now. De Torres. Now 30. Against the 29. 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. Soto. Drive. Soto goes to cross again. Foul. Foul on Sagon. Penalty. Time out on Abu Dhabi. It's 29 to 30. 1-point lead on Abu Dhabi. This timeout is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Rockbank Abu Dhabi. This is our first game for our Emirates Season 4 by Basketballista. It's Sharjah Papabols and Abu Dhabi Motivation.
Carlos Chu. Ano pangalan to? Carlos Yulo. Carlos Yulo. Carlos Gabriel.
2 minutes and 34 seconds.
Dab. May chewing gum ako. May bagong gum. Ito oh.
It's 30 against the 29. Now 30 all. 2 minutes and 20. Sagon. Foul. Foul on Alba. 13 foul on Sarja.
Alba first.
First personal foul against Alba.
Dagdagan mo pa.
Now Sagon. 1-1 by Alba. Sagon. 1-1 stop. Step back. Still on Puliket. It's 3-on-2. Puliket. Still on Sagon. Now it's 3-on-2. Sagon drive. Sagon move. Whoa! Wala mo by Sagon. It's 32 to 30. Puliket. Puliket. Stop up. Puliket. Too strong. Di pa by Uno now. Gone by De Cruz. Uno to De Torres. 1 minute and 40 seconds. De Torres guard by Puliket. Now, rebound on Isidoro. Pass to Black by Soto. Now Soto. Drive to Soto, stop. Soto, pass to Alba, airfly Alba. 13 to all. 1 minute and 20 seconds. It's all tight ball game. Now Sagon, 1 and 1 by Salva. Sagon against Kate.
Oh.
It's same ball. 14 to shoot. 14. 1 minute and 9 seconds. It's only 30 to all. Oh! Uno! Now, it's Alba. Alba drive. Alba goes to coast. Alba now 34 to 32. 2-point lead on Sarja. Fourteen to shoot. Foul! Foul! Basket not count. Basket not count. Foul on number Puliket, 17. Warning for penalty on Sarja. Basket not counted. Basket not counted as the referee. 38 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Isidoro.
Short top. Puliket. To De La Cruz. Now 1 and 1. De La Cruz. Pass to Alba. Alba. Yes on Alba. 36 to 32. Now 4-point lead on Sarja. Foul. Foul on number 13 on Maki. Penalty, penalty. Net penalty, penalty. Two free throw shot against Sagun.
36. 36.
Ay, 36 na ito naman. Parang nalulugi si Jobs ay.
It's 36 against the 32. De Torres. 15.9 more by De Torres. Puliket. Now Alba, 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Shooter.
Short. And now for second quarter, our score, it's 36 against the 32. All by Sarja.
Japs, alam na. Japs, bawas tayo.
Bakit, Ben? Bakit?
Tingin mo sila. Tendon.
Oh, guys, baka naman. Sige, ang content na.
Maayos ka.
Baka takbuhan mo kami.
Saan bibigyan? Ako bibigyan.
Diba si Tabi naman eh?
Ganun bibigyan mo? Ganun bibigyan.
Walang.
Sino yung isa? Baka si bibigyan mo referee. Ha? Kurado yung referee. Magkano bibigyan mo? Magkano bibigyan mo? Magkano bibigyan mo? 300 ha? 300 ha?
Wala siyang pansahod sa amin.
Sige nga, third quarter to. Wala tayong plus ha kasi ito. Mabot sila 10. 10 sila. Jersey mo. Jersey mo design. Kaiba naman. Jersey mo design. Jersey mo design. Design mo sa jersey. Hindi nga pumunta dito kan, magbabayad ako 30 dirham gago yung pantilor.
Ba't hindi pumunta?
Kahit magbabayad ako 30. Jersey mo. Design.
Third quarter. Sarja ball, Sarja. It's Sarja ball, Sarja.
Tingin mo ito.
It's Sharjah ball, Sharjah.
Sharjah kanina? Abu Dhabi, Sharjah.
Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi. Sharjah second quarter. Abu Dhabi ball, Abu Dhabi.
Ay, kod. Asan yung kod? Pero ako dun eh.
Third quarter. Now Loverboy. Pass to Weng, Central Weng. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Escalante.
35.
Dun na yun.
Oh, he saw it. Short. Ramos. 38 to 35. Back to 3-point lead against Sharjah. Now Loverboy again. Nice steal on Isole. It's 16 to shoot. 16. This is our third quarter. Cholo. Block by Cuenca. Cuenca, 1-1. Pass to Ramos. Yes, on Ramos. 40 to 35. It's 5-point lead now against Sharjah Papa Balls. Now, Loverboy Louie. Nice defense. Cholo again. Cholo, airball. Top. It's same ball. 14 to shoot.
Yap.
10. Short. Top. Now Cholo. Too strong. Wait again. Loverboy, too strong. Loverboy again. Loverboy, nice pass. Manalas. 37-40. It's 3-point lead on Sharjah. 8 minutes. Now Soto. Isole. Alonso. Isole again. 10 to shoot.
Solid.
Nice steal by Weng. Now Cholo. Loverboy, stop. Loverboy, foul. Foul on Cuenca. First team foul on Sharjah. First personal foul on Cuenca.
Ang galing si Cholo. Si Cholo!
Si ano? Cholo ah!
Ayun na lang, hindi na ako makakabuka. Susi! Sa alalangan, tira kaganda ng pagkaka-topic. Kala ko yan.
Kaya ba? Kaya? Kala ko makakatingnan din yung dalawa naka-shorts na mula.
Back to the ball game. It's 40 against the 37. 3-point lead on Sharjah. Now Uno. 1-1 by Cuenca. To Uno. 14 to shoot. 10. Foul.
Paano yun?
Foul on Ramos. Second team foul against Sharjah. Second personal foul on Ramos. 14 seconds sa clock, 14. Uno. Short. Top. Soto. Now Cuenca. 1-1. Cuenca. Yes on Cuenca. 42 to 37. Santalweng. Short. Ilagan. Again, in and out. Rebound out Santa Lueng. It's Sarja ball. Sarja. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Isole. Nice pass, Ramos. Lower to hand. Cuenca. Cuenca 1-in-1 by Cuenca. Open jump. Too strong. Rebound on Ilagan. Ilagan. Now Wonder Boy. 1-in-1 by Cuenca. Wonder Boy drive. Wonder Boy. Too strong. Rebound by Cuenca. Central wing. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Central wing.
Pare!
13 foul on Sarja. Who's fouled it? Foul on Isole.
Ano na tayo niyan?
First on Isole. Rebound again. Wing. Whoa! 41 to 42. It's 1 point lead now on Sarja. Now Cuenca. Ramos. Back to Alonso. Ramos. Too strong. Down. Now Uno to the Playboy Lloyd. Playboy stop. Playboy. In and out. Top. It's a ball. Abu Dhabi ball. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. On third quarter. First game. And our first match. It's Abu Dhabi versus Sarja. Our inter-emergency call. Now Uno drive. Wow! Uno! It's 43 against the 42. 1 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Soto, guarded by Uno. To Ramos. Back to Cuenca. Now Isole. He's still again. Oh! Turnover. It's 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Only 1 point lead now, Abu Dhabi. Cuenca. Too strong. Alonso rebound. Pow. All on center wing. First on Abu Dhabi. First personal foul on Escalante. It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Now 43 all. This is our 8th deadlock of the game. It's 43 all. It's Sarja versus Abu Dhabi. Now Wonder Boy. 10 to shoot. Wonder Boy, fake. Too strong, top. Manalastas. Wow, Manalastas. 45 to 43, 2 point lead on Abu Dhabi. Isole. Back to Cuenca. Now Cuenca. Cuenca now, setting a play, 14 to shoot. Isole. Drive, Isole escape, pass, Alonso, Ilagan. Still on Cuenca. Cuenca, 1-in-1, drive, Cuenca, pow. Foul on Ilagan. Substitute set up, substitution.
Sino foul? Ilagan?
Second team foul on Abu Dhabi.
Ilagan third.
Sub-rep substitution.
Second team foul.
Second on Ilagan, second team foul. Against
Ikaw daw sabi ng referee.
foul on sub-rep sub, Chantal Weng. Sub-rep sub.
Chantal Weng second.
Second on Escalante. It's 3 minutes and 51 seconds. 45 to 43. Now Cuenca. Ramos.
Isinot pa.
Black.
Ay.
Top. Sagon. Now Sagon, 1-1 by Alba, looking for the wonder play by Loy. Play by Loy. It's 14 to shoot. 10. Sagon. Air ball. Rebound by Alonso. Now Cuenca, 1-1 by ni Uno. One Alba drive. Alba there. Alba escape. Alba drive. Alba to Isole. Back to Alba. 14 to shoot.
In a shooter.
10. Top. Manila Stars. Who's ball it? Alon Isole. Warning for penalty on Sharjah.
Isole second personal.
Second personal foul against Isole. Now Laberlui. 1-1. Take the shoot.
Orange kasi, no? Alam mo, orange eh.
Alba.
Sagon.
Aaron Sagon. Substitution direct. Substitution.
Sagon third.
Third team foul on Abu Dhabi.
Third personal.
Third personal foul on Sagon.
Nice and good.
Basket timeout direct. Basket timeout. Timeout on Abu Dhabi. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds. After the booking. And our next game will be NCAA. It's JRU versus San Beda.
Kaya mo, ha? O, dikitan nyo na.
Number 20, penalty direct. Penalty. Third on Isole. It's 45 to 44. 1 point lead Abu Dhabi.
Rebound muna, Baksaw!
Now Soto. Alba. Alon Manlastas. Warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi.
Manalastas first.
First personal foul on number 22 on Manlastas.
First try.
It's 1 minute and 57 seconds. 45 all. It's our 10th deadlock of the game. 45 all. Abu Dhabi versus Sharjah. 14 to shoot. 10. Whoa! 47 against 245. Isole. Black. Isole again. Too strong. Top. Isole. Now Loverboy. Now Loverboy. 1-1. Loverboy. Looking for. Still by Cuenca. Cuenca. It's 3-2. Cuenca to Alba. Alba, enterply. Alba, too strong. Rebound ng Manlastas. 2-1. Inigay, Ulo. It's traveling violation against Ulo. 53 seconds. Still by Sagon. Wow! 49 to 45. Wala mo coming from Sagon. 40 seconds. Alba. Too strong. Tap. Isale. Foul on Central Wing. Penalty left, penalty.
Central Wing third.
Third personal foul on Central Wing. Both teams left, penalty left. Both teams now on penalty. "30 seconds. Mga lastas. "20 seconds. 14 to shoot. Foul on number 2. Penalty. 14 seconds.
Bakit? Di ka mapag-fight.
Ulit eh.
Bike nga ako papunta dito.
Alba.
Hindi, kamay na.
Second.
Second on Alba.
Kamda, dyan lang.
50 against the 45.
Anong hawak sa amin na bilay?
Wow, match.
14 seconds.
Hindi, pag nawala tayo, gagaling yun.
51 to 45. Ten. Too strong. Alba. Basket count on Alba. And now for third quarter score, it's 51 against the 47. All by Abu Dhabi. Fourth quarter ready, fourth quarter. Fourth quarter. In charge the ball, Sergeant.
Parang malaki ng mga jobs. Walang problema yan. Kasi na jobs ang lalaki. Oh. Wala yung limit sa height. 5'9", 5'8".
Now, Cuenca. Pulikit, magtutuwing ka. 14 to shoot. Bang! All Pulikits. 51-49. It's 2-point lead. Abu Dhabi.
Taas kamay kayo, taas kamay!
10 to shoot. 5.
Shoot!
Now rebound by Cuenca. Foul. Foul on Uno. First on Abu Dhabi.
Melon.
Uno third.
Third personal foul on numero 1. Now, Cuenca. Soto. Alba. Malason rebound. It's Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi. It's 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Last quarter.
Diyan kayo maupo.
Hindi mo lang po na.
Uno. Rebound by Malason. Top. Now, Puliget. Cuenca. Jumps. Foul. Oh, traveling violation on Jumps. It's turnover on Sarja. 8 minutes. 51 to 49. Only 2-point lead on Abu Dhabi.
Ilalim ba din?
Nice pass outside. Torres.
Shot!
Torres again.
Shot!
To Malason. Too strong. Rebound on Jumps. Now Soto. Looking for Jumps. Jumps now. Jumps. To Puliket. Favorite shot. Jumps. Bang! Oh, Jumps. Now 51 all. It's our 12th deadlock of the game. Abu Dhabi against Sarja.
Shot mo na!
Now Isidoro.
Makakashoot ka sa akin mamaya. Walang shot at hindi makashot.
Uno.
Siya makashot sa akin.
Now Soto, baseball bat. Oh, nice defense on Wonderful. Now, substitution up, substitution. Substitution up. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Cuenca. Alba. Too strong again by Alba. Now, play by Louie. 1-1 by Alba. Fourteen to shoot. Second. Oh! Turnover again on Abu Dhabi.
Bakit tinulak ka?
In 6 minutes and 24 seconds.
Ilan time out na?
51 all. Soto. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Soto. 3-point lead now on Sarja. 54 against the 51.
Ayaw nilang tulungan. Screen!
10 to shoot. Air ball is Sarja ball. Timeout on Sarja.
Ay, ba't yan sila? Teamwork kayo, teamwork. Walang sila.
Ba't ka din nila ng ano mo?
Kailangan manonood kami lagi. Tingnan lang, tingnan.
Nag-cokan pa siya, oh.
Lalaki yan? Lalaki? Puro babae mo.
It's 5 minutes and 42 seconds.
Ganun daw talaga pag pogi.
Dagdagan mo na siya.
Hindi, wag muna.
Cuenca. Soto again. Pass to Puliket. Fake. Open jumper Puliket. It's foul. Foul on number 13. On Alonso. First team foul on Sarja.
Screen! Tulungan niyo ako kami!
54 to 53, it's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Ramos. To Soto, 40 to shoot. In and out. Balason again, rebound. Balason. To Playboy Louie, it's 2-1 to... Oh! What a shot coming from Chantal. It's 55 to 54. It's 1 point lead. Now Abu Dhabi. Now Soto. Wala mo ba yung Soto? Too strong. Soto. It's 56 against to 55. 1 point lead back to Sharjah. Now Loverboy Louie. Balason again! 57-56. It's 1 point lead back to Abu Dhabi. Cuenca. Puliket. Bang! On Puliket. Back-to-back shot coming from the two teams. Abu Dhabi versus Sharjah.
Reserve substitution.
Sino?
58 to 57. Foul. Foul on Ramos. Substitution left. Second team foul on Sharjah.
Ramos start first.
Third personal foul against Ramos. Sub rep sub. Sagon. Short. Now rebound on Soto. Ramos to Cuenca. 3 minutes. Steal by Balason. Balason to Isidoro. Isidoro. Fake. It's good ball. Good ball. Cuenca. Soto. Yes, on Ramos. 60
Nakita na yan, dinakita.
against the 57.
Ay, papasalabihan ko sa sunod para makita.
Now Sagon. Foul.
Kala ko wala pa din.
Foul on Ramos. 13 foul against Sharjah. Sub left sub.
Ramos 93. Ramos 93. Fourth person.
Fourth personal foul on Ramos. Warning on Ramos. Fourth foul. It's 2 minutes and 19 seconds. 60 against the 57. Only 3 point lead by Sharjah. Chantal Weng. Air ball. Now Puliket. To Cuenca. Back to Puliket. Open jump. Short top. It's Sharjah ball, Sharjah. Sabrep, sabrep, sabrep. Bigay mo na rep. Sabrep.
Pa!
14 seconds. Isole. Too strong. Now Laberloy Loy. It's 2-1. Laberloy, Laberloy, Laberloy. Short. Rebound on Soto. Soto. Short again. Top. Balason. Kick. Steal. Puliket. Steal. It's 2-1. Now Manalastas. Manalastas. Oh, Manalastas. Now 59 to 60. It's 1 minute and 27 seconds. 1 point lead on Sharjah. Cuenca. Short. Now Balason. Sagon. Too strong. Now Puliket. It's 1 minute.
Oo, ay, isa na lang.
40 to shoot.
Wala pa.
10. In and out. Soto again. Count. It's 35 seconds. Wow. Foul ni Sole. Warning for penalty on Sarja.
Dalawa pang timeout namin na.
It's only fourth person.
Fourth personal foul on number 20 on Sole. 35 seconds.
No one. Oh my God.
60 against 259. Now, play one foul.
Nice, foul! Penalty na!
Penalty direct. Foul on number 35.
Luy, dalawa!
On Sarja. 31 seconds.
Take time!
2 free throw shot on Louis. $60 all, 60 all. 31 seconds.
Isa pa lang foul nyo, ha?
Stop kayo!
Isa pa lang foul nyo, isa pa lang foul.
Something foul pala kami na.
Something fall ko na.
31 seconds. In and out. Ulitin. Isole. Now Cuenca. 20 to shoot. 15. Shot. Wow. 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
Akap shooting! Akap shooting!
Ay, nako! Mag-explain na naman.
Rep, good it.
Taas yung kamay eh.
Hindi naman na kaya i-explain, di ba?
2 free throw shot, Tonalba. 2 free throw shot, Tonalba. Bigay mo na rep, bigay mo na rep. Pag-explain rep.
Dalawa!
61 to 60. Timeout, basket, timeout, rep, basket, timeout. Eight seconds. Timeout on Abu Dhabi.
Balik, kasi hindi mo mababawi!
Sarja?
Pag tumal kami, pre-flip sila.
Oo.
8 seconds.
Iman kuman nyo na yan.
Hindi ba kita doon ang penalty?
8 seconds, 61 to 60. Sarja and penalty.
Wala na. Meron pa sila, wala. Meron na, wala. Isa pa.
8 seconds. 8 seconds. 5. Oh! And off the game winner, Sarja. It's